Lime and limestone are used in large quantities as building materials and are important raw materials in many industries. Here we take a look at the role of lime powder ball press and working principle, the equipment, energy saving and environmental protection, easy transportation, improve the utilization of waste, has good economic and social benefits. The screw feeding device of lime powder ball press is driven by electromagnetic speed regulating motor, rotated by belt wheel and worm reducer, and the pressed material is forced into the main feed port. Due to the constant moment characteristics of the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, when the amount of the screw feeder is equal to the amount of material required by the host machine, the constant feeding pressure can be maintained to make the pellet quality stable. If the feeding amount is too large, the current of the feeding device is overloaded. If the feeding amount is too small, the ball will not be formed. Therefore, skilled operation skills are an important condition to ensure the normal operation of lime powder ball press.